My name is Jared Bruening with Heartland Express, and today I'm going to show you how to set the auto start stop and drive climate bunk system on a T600 Kenworth. To set the auto start, simply turn the key on and off, locate the auto start stop button, hold up for 3 seconds, then release. It will then go through a couple auto start checks on the dash, and then the auto start icon will appear. Once the auto start stop is set, you'll come to the bunk and locate the drive climate control box. From then you will select if you want AC or heat. The second knob will be for fan speed, and the third knob will be for your temperature. This has been the overview of the T600 Kenworth with the auto start and drive climate bunk system.